I've stayed in Marriott hotels all over North America as an Ambassador Elite member, the highest Marriott Bonvoy status you can have. Today we're looking at the Hotel St. Louis Autograph Collection to see whether it deserves its luxury price tag or if your money is better spent elsewhere. No fluff, just an honest review. When I checked into the hotel, I noticed a few things right away. Number one, my Marriott status was not recognized, and I wasn't given the option of points or an amenity. Typically, you receive 1,000 points or a small token of appreciation, like a $10 credit for a pantry item. Two, there was no arrival gift. Ambassador Elite members typically get something as a thank you for choosing a particular hotel. I've received gifts such as a fruit plate, a box of local chocolates, a bottle of wine or champagne, etc. There is almost always a handwritten card as well. The third thing I noticed, which was a positive thing this time, is that they did upgrade me to the Presidential King Suite, and they let me check in a little bit early as well. The room is quite large. There's a separate living space with lots of room to entertain, an oversized bedroom, a luxury bathroom, and even a small balcony. I paid about $250 a night for a regular king room, and parking was $50. So for $300 a night, considering the upgrade, I'd say it was worth it. The bed was very comfortable, noise was a minimum, pillows and mattress were of high quality, all the typical things you would expect in a bedroom were there. Plenty of hangers, an iron, a large screen TV. However, Netflix and Prime Video were not available, which did limit viewing potential. The bathroom was clean and there was some very high quality upgrades. Oversized shower, luxury ceramics, a beautiful full-length mirror. However, the lighting wasn't great and the shower pressure, quite frankly, was awful. I managed fine because I have short hair, but if there was somebody with long hair using that shower, I would think it would have been a frustrating experience. Let's talk service. When I arrived at the hotel, I was early, so I went to the restaurant. I was seated quickly and I ordered a beer. It came in a timely manner, but no one came over after that. There were several hotel staff talking to each other by the bar and even a manager in the area, but no one came over. I wasn't planning to eat anything, so it wasn't the end of the world, but not a great first impression. Eventually, I had to get up and walk over to the counter and settle up myself. When I had dinner there in that evening, the service was good, however, and the food satisfactory. So let's wrap this up. What is good? The location is amazing. You're right downtown with access to transit, restaurants, the Gateway Arch, and a few museums, etc. Everything was completely walkable. The Hotel St. Louis has a sleek design and there's urban energy everywhere. The bars and dining on site were decent, the rooftop pool and bar were reasonably nice, and if you have time for it, not a bad perk. I received a very nice upgrade to a presidential suite, which I was very thankful for. However, they dropped the ball on some of the elite status perks and the service wasn't top-notch. Not terrible, just not what I would have expected at a hotel like this. The hotel itself is beautiful, but some practical things might feel secondary, and the standard rooms may feel pricey for what you get compared to other downtown hotels. So final verdict, is the Hotel St. Louis worth it for around $300 a night? I'd say yes. It's great for nightlife, style, and downtown exploring. Pure hotel comfort and traditional perks like breakfast and quiet luxury are there, and it would be a good choice for business travelers and vacationers alike. If this helped you decide, hit subscribe. I post honest Marriott hotel reviews like this on a regular basis. Until the next stay, travel well.